This video, featuring a guest named Park, is all about how to divide and repot your Maxillaria orchids. The main points. Why divide them? Maxillaria orchids grow upwards and spread out. When they get too big, the leaves on the inside can't get enough sunlight, so you need to divide them. To do this, you should sterilize your tools to prevent any fungal infections and cut the plant, so that each new section has 2 or 3 bulbs. What you'll need and how to do it. Planting material. When you're first repotting them, they suggest using sphagnum moss. It's great because it holds water well, which helps prevent the plant from drying out and makes it easier for new roots to grow. Planting method. You should plant the orchid, so that about half of the bulb is covered by the moss. Make sure to pack the moss firmly, so the plant doesn't wobble in the pot. Post-planting care. Watering right after planting. There aren't any roots yet, so you should mist the leaves to help the plant. Absorb water and nutrients until the roots are established. After it grows, once the roots have grown in, you'll want to move it to a bigger pot after about 2 years. A key tip is to make sure the new pot is the right size for the plant. Advice for beginners. Using a pot that's the right size for your orchid will make it much easier to manage. Original full video links have been posted in the description and comments below. You can use the automatic translation feature for YouTube subtitles to watch the video in your own language. I'll be back with another helpful video next time. See you then.